Alright, welcome to Pierre's Adventure. Today I'm super stoked about it. It's 2021 Ski-Doo lineup release and we have to see all the brand new Ski-Doos all together, and we do our analysis like every year. We talk about what's new, what's cool, what's good, what's bad, and it's right now, so stay tuned. So I'm super stoked about something that is brand new for this year. It's the new 600 EFI. It's a full injection engine, bye-bye carburetor, bye-bye 550 fan, everything is liquid cooled now, and it's all across the board. We have Gen 4 everywhere. So that new engine is a bare-bone engine. It's developing 85 HP, which is far from bad, and it's pretty cool because they state it will be bulletproof. From my point of view, it's super interesting to replace the 550 fan, which was not that perfect in terms of consumption. It was cool for like the late sprinting and your late season venturing, but other than that, it was not actual at all. So having a new engine developing 85 HP will make a game changer for me. Especially at the price point Ski-Doo are putting their new vehicle, and I'm super stoked about three variants that will use that engine: the Expedition Sport, the Tundra, and the Backcountry Sport, which is a brand new model for this year. And I'm pretty sure not a lot of people will talk about the Backcountry, but it's super cool. Like, you got that 146 kid, 146 track, I'm sorry, and with that 85 HP engine, which is more than enough to do a little boondocking. It will float, you will have more power to weight ratio than the 900 days. It will be way more flickable. If you take the Expedition Sport 900 days and you compare it to the 600 EFI Expedition Sport, you save 50 pounds, so it's a lot. And it's gonna make a difference, and you get more wing with that two-stroke. That's super good for Ski-Doo. And going back to the Backcountry, they price pointed at 10,500 something, which is less than an Arctic Cat Blast if you think about it. So Ski-Doo just hit something really hard. And it's in a good way, and I'm super happy because it's gonna make this sled super accessible to the people. You will now be able to run your trail, off-trail, 50-50 sled class on a budget. You will get a brand new sled for the price of a used one, which is crazy good. Well, it's not making the extra power that an 850 will do or a 600 E-Tech will do. But do you care? You get a lot for your money, and that's what I'm feeling this year. It's that they're looking back at the entry market and say, guys, we did not forget you. We have something for you guys. The new Tundra with that engine will make a world of difference. Alright, we take a little intermission here to say thanks to Akatawa Japan for sending me this cool t-shirt. I really enjoy it. And take the time to visit this page. I will let the card here. Also, if you like what you're seeing and you want to help me, just click the subscribe button and click the like button. It make a world of difference for a small YouTuber like me. So thank you and keep watching. Alright guys, it's now time to talk about that brand new mounted Salmon, which has evolved through the year, and now it's stabilizing. We have now the Expert package, which is available on Freeride and Summit. We now have the 850 Turbo that is available in Freeride package and in Summit. So it's pretty cool. I ride the 850 Turbo a few weeks back. That thing is the most intuitive mountain sled I've rode. It's easy. You don't think about it. You just feel your sled, and you blip the throttle up. Oh, it's on the side. It's doing it all alone. You look where you want to go. You just counter steer a bit, blip the throttle, and it is gone. You can stay neutral most of the time, and I'm really impressed about that. It's doing really well. And having now the Freeride in the short tunnel, like last year, it's improving your wheelie bar. You have less restriction. You have a lighter front end. Everything that they do in the expert package bring this machine one step further. It's very closer to a mud sled. And about the 850 turbo, sadly I live at sea level, so when I tried this thing I was at sea level, so I had the 165 HP that all you guys have in your Summit at sea level. So it was a blast. That thing pulls strong. I may have a little clip of my friend Holly Bernier that is writing that with sledmagazine.com. Man, that guy is a beast, and he can handle it way better than I do. And I think the clip will speak for themselves. So you will have that same performance alike on every mountain this year. So pretty cool. For the guys out west, that new 850 turbo will make a world of difference because it's a very accessible machine. It will ride exactly like a Summit Expert package on the east side, on the east coast, at sea level, in terms of performance, which is dang good. It's amazing how that engine deliver, and the ability of the Summit to just climb and get on the roller all the time. It's just a crazy machine, and all that in a manageable package, and that made me feel very compelled to that package and that Summit machine. It feels really natural even to a non-mountain rider to ride it. So I have absolutely no problem where Ski-Doo's going. For the price tag, that new 850 turbo is way more affordable than a aftermarket kit, and it make a world of difference. And I've heard that some people have already chipped the thing and they are already providing with more power. Ski-Doo did a fantastic job of having that 850 turbo being regulatory. They have a lot of things to comply when you're a manufacturer, instead of the guy that just have a third-party installment of a turbo. So chapeau, Ski-Doo, you did well. Alrighty then, Backcountry. So Backcountry did not get too much love this year. It's already a very good sled. I rode the 2019 XRS. What a machine, and I was super stoked about it. It's super cool. So having minimal change to the platform, the model, make me comfortable. What I'm super stoked is the Backcountry Sport, which I told you already, and the other major change that is coming to the Backcountry is the brand new ginormous gauge that you integrate with your phone, which I find super cool in terms of technology. It will integrate your map. It will be super cool to see at a glance that kind of stuff, which is good for safety. If it's bigger, easier to see, it's good for safety. Where it's bad for safety, it's no, you will have a lot of command that come with it, and they are under your handlebar, on your left side, on your brake side. So your brake side will be way further when you're playing with that. It will distract your attention toward that, and I feel a bit uncomfortable about that. I'm a barebone guy. I would run with a speedometer and a fuel gauge and a gauge for my heat, and that's it. So going to a super advanced technologically, which will require a lot of control, make me a bit uncomfortable in terms of how much the rider will have attention span when they are working with their gauge. Other than that, it seems super cool. I don't know about pricing. Will it jack up the price over the year of versus the old version if you had XRS Backcountry 2020, and now the 2021 will be higher in price because you have that. I don't know. It's something that we'll have to check. And the other thing is all about the reliability of that thing. I'm sure Ski-Doo did their testing. I'm sure they did their cold testing. And I want it to be safe for everybody. I want it to be very reliable. Alright, one of the biggest change for this year is in the trail segment, Renegade and a Max Z. They dropped the shorter one, so they don't have a 120 anymore. It's 121, 137, and it's for good. With their brand new R Motion Axe, which will be a lighter skid, will transfer less, give you more control on your transfer, which will get you more flat. They have a larger front end, new ski that are more adapted to that new geometry, and this snowmobile will rail through curve. And I was talking with my good friend Dennis from slandmagazine.com, and he had tried one, and he said that thing is flat, it's going fast in the corner, it will stop you from transfer too much, and it will keep your ski on the snow. You will be able to take turn faster and negotiate S curve way better with that thing. So I'm super happy for the trail guy that they had innovation. Our motion was already good. Our Motion Axe take it one step further. So good job, Ski-Doo. And it was, I think, due because Polaris was catching up a bit with their Pro CC, and the Axis front is a very, very good snowmobile. So they had competition, and they are now pushing their envelope way further again. So it's super cool for the trail guy. You will have a brand new snowmobile that react way better on snow, that is handling way better. And the good news about it is that there is some model that are already available at your dealer. You just go there, you knock at their door and say, I want a price for that brand new R Motion Axe, and you will get a brand new sled with that equip right now. You can finish your season with that. How cool is that? Okay, let's talk about the utilitarian segment. This year, all sled are in Gen 4. So the Tundra, the Skandic, the Expedition, everything is Gen 4. So you get that more nimble feeling. You get this fantastic Gen 4 integration in terms of accessory. It's the perfect wall. You got a brand new 600 EFI engine. Everything is made to make the new Tundra feel better. And I felt the difference on the Expedition Sport from the old gen to the new gen. It was way more flickable, was floating better, it had a better geometry. It was making odd maneuver more accessible, easier, and more intuitive. So it's super good that now even the 24-incher will get Gen 4. Every accessory will be transferable, or almost every transferable, from machine to machine. So if you got a fleet, you are transfer your windshield, you will transfer your link in the back. And they are bringing a new sled this year. It's the Link sled, which is pretty cool. You have 2-door. You can connect all your Link accessory that you want. You can bring wood to the shed. You can bring your ice fishing gear. Pretty cool thing that to see from Ski-Doo. You can put carbide on it, and it's pretty cool if you are running on ice, especially for the ice fisher. Man, that's a good year at Ski-Doo. Pricing is also good. The drop of the 550 for the new 600 EFI. No more carburetor on the lineup, so it's a good thing. Alright, it was super cool making this video. I hope you like it. I did enjoy making it. It was super fun. If you liked, please click the like button and subscribe. It helped me a bunch and make us everybody happy. Check out my latest vid. It's called Facing Chic Shock, and it's about a snowbiker that is doing awesome stuff. So check that out up there. Also, I'm a chroniqueur at sadmagazine.com and motoneige.ca. You can also check their YouTube page somewhere like here. And I hope you enjoy our trip here. And thank you for being here. And we'll see you in the next one.